Car troubles can be a major inconvenience and a drain on your wallet, but with the right tools and a little know-how, you can save yourself time and money by tackling repairs yourself. First up, let's talk about lubrication. Proper lubrication is essential for the health and longevity of your car's engine. As the engine runs, the oil circulates and spreads over all the moving parts, reducing friction and preventing metal-to-metal contact. Next, let's discuss fuel delivery. The fuel delivery system is responsible for getting fuel from the gas tank to the engine. The fuel filter removes contaminants from the fuel, and the fuel injectors precisely meter the fuel into the engine cylinders. Regular maintenance, such as fuel filter replacement, fuel system cleaning, and fuel pump replacement, is important to ensure the continued functioning of the fuel delivery system and prevent issues such as clogged fuel lines. The radiator is responsible for dissipating heat from the engine and maintaining a stable operating temperature. To prevent engine damage and decreased performance due to overheating, you'll need to keep your radiator clean by flushing it, replacing the coolant, or replacing the radiator itself. Finally, let's discuss the combustion system. The combustion system is responsible for converting fuel and air into the energy necessary to power the engine. To keep your combustion system in good condition and prevent potential problems such as misfires and decreased engine power, you'll need to regularly maintain it by replacing spark plugs, fuel injectors, and pistons. Thanks for watching. Remember, you can find all the parts you need to fix common car issues yourself at partshawk.com. We offer millions of parts with crazy fast shipping, so you can get your car back on the road in no time.